Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Golden Off-Road. This is Sergio at Golden Motors. Today we have this pretty awesome 2017 Toyota Tundra being built for a customer. Here at Golden Motors, the Southeast's largest lifted truck dealership. Today we have this wicked awesome 2017 Toyota Tundra TRD 4x4. Again guys, Golden Motors is not only a dealership, we are a full custom shop with an extraordinary service department. Well guys, as you can see, this Tundra will be riding on a 4.5-inch BDS coilover suspension lift. This BDS suspension offers a 4.5-inch performance coilover system designed for vastly improved off-road performance while providing a smooth, comfortable ride on pavement. This Tundra is also sporting HELO 20x9s with 35 12x50 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. This Tundra will also be wearing a rough country Toyota heavy-duty front LED bumper for an aggressive new appearance. This bumper offers impressive protection off-road and off-road illumination. It's also rocking Rough Country's mesh grille with 30-inch dual-row black series LEDs. This grille offers a unique laser-cut mesh pattern surrounded by stylish stainless steel button head bolts. This grille gives your truck a better look than the stock grille. This grille also comes with a 30-inch curved dual-row black series LED light bar with Cree LEDs outputting tremendous light power. Again guys, this build was completed by our master tech, Shane. So give us a look, give us a call at 803-808-5235. If you got any questions about a build that you're thinking about doing, or if you just need an oil change, new tires, or whatever it is, give us a call or look us up online at goldenmotorsonline.com. Again, my name is Sergio. Thanks a lot guys for watching. If you guys like any of our builds, please leave a comment or give us a call and let us know what you're thinking about doing. If you see any of our vehicles being built and you'd like to make an offer, again, give us a call at 803-808-5235. My name is Sergio. Thanks for watching guys. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. Give us a big shout out and leave a message down below. Alright guys, you guys take care. Catch you on the next video.